Hey there, folks. Today we're diving into the incredible power we hold within to shape our reality. Each of us possesses an untapped reservoir of potential, just waiting to be unleashed. We weren't put on this earth to simply exist. We're meant to thrive, to experience joy, and to achieve greatness. We are the drivers. We have the power to choose our thoughts, our beliefs, and our actions. And these choices are the very building blocks of our reality. Have you ever noticed how a positive outlook can brighten your entire day? Or how a single negative thought can spiral into a cloud of worry and doubt? When we harness this power consciously, we can achieve extraordinary things. So are you ready to unlock your full potential? Join me as we explore the incredible world of manifestation and the law of attraction. Now, let's talk about the law of attraction. In the simplest terms, the law of attraction states that like attracts like. Positive thoughts attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts attract negative experiences. Think of it like a magnet. When you focus on positive thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, you attract positive experiences and opportunities into your life. It's about aligning your entire being, your thoughts, feelings, and actions with what you want to manifest. You need to feel abundant, act as if you already have abundance, and believe deep down that you are worthy of receiving it. The law of attraction is a powerful force, but it's up to us to use it consciously and deliberately. The good news is that manifesting your dreams isn't some complicated ritual. It's about understanding the basic principles of the law of attraction and applying them consistently in your life. We'll explore the power of visualization, where you'll learn to create vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. We'll talk about affirmations, which are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. And we'll discuss the importance of gratitude, which shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. This isn't just about wishful thinking, folks. It's about taking control of your destiny and creating a life you love. Let's dive deeper into the law of attraction. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, is made up of energy. Positive thoughts vibrate at a higher frequency, while negative thoughts vibrate at a lower frequency. The universe doesn't judge our thoughts as good or bad, it simply responds to their vibration. When we consistently focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we raise our own vibration. And as we raise our vibration, we start to attract people, opportunities, and experiences that match that same high frequency. It's like tuning into a radio station. When you want to manifest your dreams, you've got to align your energy with the frequency of your desires. Focus on gratitude, joy, and abundance to tune into the frequency of your dreams. You might be thinking, how do I actually control my thoughts and emotions? It all starts with awareness. Become aware of your dominant thoughts and beliefs. Are you constantly worrying or focusing on the good in your life and feeling grateful for what you have? Remember, what you focus on expands. Make a conscious effort to shift your focus towards positivity, and you'll start to attract more positive experiences. The more you consciously choose to focus on thoughts that empower you, the more you'll naturally gravitate towards a higher vibration. Your thoughts become your reality. What you believe about yourself and the world around you shapes your experiences. If you believe that you're not good enough, you'll attract situations that confirm that belief. But you have the power to change your beliefs. You can choose to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Choose to believe that you are worthy, capable, and deserving of all the good things life has to offer. The law of attraction is always working, whether you're aware of it or not. It's a universal law, like gravity. So the question is, what are you choosing to attract into your life? Let's dive into the practical steps to start manifesting your desires. The first step is crucial. Get crystal clear on what you truly want. The universe loves clarity. When you're wishy-washy about your desires, it's like trying to tune into a radio station with a fuzzy antenna. Take some time to really reflect on what you want to attract into your life. Be specific about your desires, and the universe will align you with the people, opportunities, and resources you need. Remember, clarity is key. Once you have a clear picture of what you want, start visualizing it as if it's already yours. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for manifesting your desires. Create vivid mental images of your desired outcomes, engaging all your senses. Imagine yourself living your dream life. The more real you can make these visualizations, the more you'll start to embody the feeling of already having what you desire. The universe responds to your vibration. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of achieving your goals to attract those experiences into your reality. While visualization is powerful, it's equally important to back it up with positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, reprogramming your subconscious mind. Think of your subconscious mind like a garden. Plant seeds of self-belief, abundance, and possibility to cultivate a mindset that supports your dreams. The words you speak to yourself have power. Choose to speak words that empower you, uplift you, and align you with the frequency of your dreams. Manifesting your dreams isn't just about thinking positive thoughts and waiting for the universe to deliver. The law of attraction works in conjunction with inspired action. You're putting in the order to the universe with your thoughts, beliefs, and visualizations. But you still have to be open to receiving the delivery. Trust your intuition, follow your gut, and be willing to step outside your comfort zone. The universe will present you with synchronicities and signs pointing you in the right direction. Pay attention to those signs and be ready to take action when the time is right. One of the most important things you can do to amplify your manifesting power is to cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude is like a magnet for miracles. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your vibration from a place of lack to a place of abundance. Make it a habit to express gratitude daily. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you'll attract into your life. The law of attraction is always working. Harness its power and create a life you love.
Now let's take a look at some real-life examples of people who have used the law of attraction to manifest their dreams. First up, we have me, Sarah. I was stuck in a dead-end job, feeling unfulfilled and yearning for a career change. I started by getting clear on my dream job. I wrote down my ideal position, the company culture I desired, and even the salary I hoped to earn. Then I created a vision board with images that represented my ideal work life. Every day I would spend a few minutes visualizing myself working in my dream job. I also started using affirmations, repeating phrases like, "I am worthy of a fulfilling and abundant career." I updated my resume, networked with people in my desired field, and enrolled in a professional development course. Within a few months, I received a call from a recruiter for a position that perfectly matched what I had visualized.
Next, let's talk about Mark. Mark had been single for years and was starting to lose hope of finding a partner. He longed for a loving and fulfilling relationship, but couldn't seem to attract the right person. After learning about the law of attraction, Mark realized that his own limiting beliefs about himself were holding him back. So he decided to focus on cultivating self-love. He started practicing daily affirmations, repeating phrases like, "I am worthy of love." He also began to treat himself with more kindness and compassion. As Mark's self-love grew, so did his confidence and his vibration. And it wasn't long before he met someone special, realizing that finding love starts from within.
Now, for a story about manifesting abundance. Maria, a talented baker with a passion for creating delicious and healthy treats, had always dreamed of opening her own bakery. She loved sharing her creations with friends and family, but didn't know where to begin to turn her passion into a business. One day, while at a local farmer's market, Maria struck up a conversation with a woman who owned a small cafe. Maria shared her dream of opening a bakery, and the cafe owner was immediately impressed by her enthusiasm and the delicious samples Maria offered. As they talked, the cafe owner mentioned that she was looking for someone to supply fresh pastries for her shop. Maria jumped at the opportunity, seeing it as a sign from the universe. She poured her heart into baking the first batch of pastries for the cafe, using only the finest, healthiest ingredients. The pastries were a hit with the cafe's customers, and soon Maria was struggling to keep up with the demand. She realized that this was her chance to turn her dream into a reality. With the profits from her cafe sales, Maria invested in some basic baking equipment and began selling her pastries at local markets and events. Word of mouth spread quickly, and within a year, Maria had saved enough money to open her own bakery, just as she had visualized. Maria's story reminds us that the universe often works in mysterious ways and that opportunities can arise when we least expect them.
Let's talk about the power of the mind-body connection with John's story. John had been struggling with a chronic illness for several years. Feeling defeated, John began exploring alternative healing methods and stumbled upon the law of attraction. John started by shifting his focus from his illness to his desired state of health and wellness. Instead of dwelling on his symptoms, he began visualizing himself as healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. He continued to follow his doctor's advice, but decided to incorporate these law of attraction techniques. To his surprise, John started to notice positive changes in his health.
Finally, let's end with a story that demonstrates the law of attraction at play. Lisa had always been drawn to those win big sweepstakes, but had never had any luck. One day, she decided to change her approach, incorporating the law of attraction. Instead of just casually filling out the entry forms, Lisa put more intention behind it. She placed a picture of the dream vacation on her vision board and visualized herself there. A few weeks later, Lisa received an email notifying her that she was a finalist in the sweepstakes. Out of thousands of entries, Lisa's name was drawn as the grand prize winner. Lisa's story shows that shifting our mindset can create more opportunities for serendipity and abundance. All right, folks, now that we've covered the ins and outs of the law of attraction and seen how it's changed lives, let's talk about how you can weave this power into your everyday routine. Remember, consistency is key. Just like building physical strength takes daily effort, so does strengthening your manifesting muscles. One of the most powerful things you can do is start your day right. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, hit the pause button and set the tone for a positive and abundant day. Take a few deep breaths, feel gratitude for the gift of a new day, and visualize your dreams as if they're already happening. Even just 5 minutes of conscious intention setting can make a world of difference. Imagine yourself going through your day with ease and grace, attracting positive people and experiences. This simple practice can shift your entire energy for the day ahead. Think of your thoughts as seeds you're planting in the garden of your mind. By starting your day with positive and empowering thoughts, you're essentially sowing the seeds for a bountiful harvest. Now, it's not enough to practice the law of attraction sporadically. The real magic happens when you make it a habit, a way of life. Just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee, manifesting your dreams should be a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Remember those affirmations we talked about? Don't just say them once and forget about them. Write them down on sticky notes and place them around your house. Set reminders on your phone or repeat them to yourself throughout the day, especially when you encounter negative thoughts creeping in. And don't underestimate the power of gratitude. Take a few minutes each evening to reflect on your day and write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a delicious cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, or a heartfelt conversation with a loved one. The more you focus on the good in your life, the more you'll attract into your reality. Remember, the universe is always responding to your energy. So choose to vibrate at the frequency of joy, gratitude, and abundance, and watch as your dreams manifest before your very eyes. Well, folks, we've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the ins and outs of the law of attraction to exploring practical techniques you can use to manifest your dreams. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are a powerful creator, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. It all starts with a shift in perspective, a belief that you are worthy of receiving abundance, love, and joy. Embrace the principles we've discussed today, make them a part of your daily life, and watch in amazement as the universe conspires to make your dreams a reality. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and never ever give up on your dreams. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start manifesting the life you were born to live. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.